Today, I want to share with you frothy coffee. So, this is the recipe that actually got me drinking coffee for 35 years. I was a tea drinker and I loved being a tea drinker. And now that I am a coffee drinker, I am very aware of it being so many less calories and so many less dollars. But here I am loving coffee 12 years later and making a video about it. So, here's frothy coffee. First, we start with frothing our half and half. I have a video all about this frother. I love it. It heats your half and half and it froths it. And so I will put a link in the description. But I put 4 ounces of half and half into my frother. And then I put in a little agave, just kind of a swirl to kind of sweeten it up a little bit. And I will put on the lid and turn it on. So the frother is done. It takes about 2 minutes. In this cup, I already have 10 ounces of hot coffee. So in the coffee world, a cup is actually 5 ounces instead of 8. So I have 2 cups, which is 10 ounces of hot coffee in here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some honey. Raw honey is really my favorite, and I happen to have a friend who could get it for me. So I take a pretty good spoonful, kind of a tablespoon of raw honey. I stir it in. Then I just add some regular ground cinnamon, and I stir that in as well. And then I will pour in my frothed hot half and half. And you can use anything. I've been using Fairlife a lot lately because it's lower fat and higher protein, as well as froth's very similar to half and half. You can use oat milk, regular milk, whatever dietary need you have. Put in the frother, add it to your coffee, honey, cinnamon, and it's froth, and it is delicious. It is called frothy coffee. So this is the recipe that my friend used that got me actually drinking coffee. And 12 years later, I'm still really thankful for it, actually. And every morning I drink a cup of frothy coffee as I spend time with God. And Matt Chandler has a quote that things in life will stir your affections for God. Frothy coffee, to me, stirs my affections for God. And so, anyways, I wanted to share it with you. I will have product links of all this stuff in the description below if you want to make your own frothy coffee. It is delicious.